Welcome to SADX. This video I am going to solve few exponents. Question 11. Please note that we already finished 1 to 10 last video. X square y to the power minus 1 whole cube. We know AB to the power, let's see, C. This one will become a to the power c and b to the power c. Similar, here is x square then cube times y to the power minus 1 to the power 3. So here is x to the power 6 times y to the power minus 3. So this one you can write, or this is our answer, or if you want to simplify negative exponent, we know a to the power minus n, it means 1 by a to the power n. Therefore, you can write x to the power 6 divide y to the power 3. Number 11 done. Number 12. 6u to the power 4 divide 8u square. So this one, 6 and 8, this constant we can divide by 2. So here is 3, here is 4. Here is u to the power 4 and here is u to u square. So you can write like 3 by 4 and u 4 minus 2. Why? Because we know once divide, suppose a to the power m divide a to the power n, it means a to the power m minus n. Once base are same, that time in division power will be subtract. So our answer will be 3 by 4 u square. 12 done. 13. 2 u v square times minus 4 u square v. Okay. So this one we will simplify. How? Here is multiplication, it means times. So 2 times 4 is a minus 8. U and u square, it's a u cube. V square v, v cube. Very simple. Number 14. X square divide x to the power minus 3. Number 14. X square divide x to the power minus 3. Here base are same. That time in division power will be subtract. So x square minus, and here is minus 3. So what happened? X 2 minus and minus plus 3. So our answer will be x to the power 5. Number 16. X to the power 3 by 2 divide x to the power 1 by 2. So this one base are same. So 3 divide 2 minus 1 by 2. Now we can make LCM. So here is 2, 3 minus 1. Then x 3 minus 1 is a 2, divide 2, divide. So our answer is x. Number 16 done. 17. X square times x cube times x to the power 4. So all base are same. So power will be add in multiplication. So x 2 plus 3 plus 4. So x to the power 2 plus 3 is a 5, 5 plus 4 is a 9. Done. 18. X square to the power minus 3 times 2x to the power 3. So 2 will be unchanged. So here is 2 and here is x square to the power minus 3, it means minus 6 times x cube. Then 2 x to the power minus 6 plus 3. So 2 x to the power minus 3. This is our answer. 18 done. And today's last question answer is 19. Here is 2m square 3m cube to the power 2. So this one is 4m square times 3 times 2 is a 9, and m to the power 3 times 2 is the m to the power 6. So 4 times 9 is a 36. M square or m to the power 6, it will be m2 plus 6, and our final answer is 36 m to the power 8. So thank you very much being with me. I am trying to solve exponents and radicals chapter and already finished 19 math. Next video we will start from another math, but you should keep practice at home. No more today. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.